Hey, it's Pete. I wanted to thank you so much for visiting our YouTube channel today, Stock Trading Pro. Our channel is dedicated to you. The stock market has a lot of opportunity, and it's our mission to help you make things easier so that when you look at the market, you actually get to the point where you expect to make money. Now, how do we do that? Well, first and foremost, everything that we do is based on my 21 years of experience, and it just comes down to two things: following and tracking the order flow, and then tape reading, which is timing entries and exits and position size into those ideas where we learn to piggyback the smart money. Now, if you want to learn how, very simply, to track the smart money, there's going to be a link below this video for you to download Smart Money Footprints. It's a new ebook that we just came out recently, completely free. All you got to do is click that link below and you can download it. Shows you the exact structure for identifying when you say, wow, it's really obvious, I can't wait to do something. And then you piggyback on top of what the smart money is doing. But that's just the start. I want to help you walk your way through the channel right now so that I can help provide the greatest value for you. Now, the first thing we do is we have our Stocks for Breakfast live stream, Monday through Friday at 7:30 in the morning. We kind of have like a little party talking about everything you can think of. We all have our coffee going. We talk about stock picks. We talk about trading mindset, how to think and act like a winning trader. We talk about sector rotation. That's a big part of what we do. And then, of course, we get down to the nitty gritty of which stocks are in my trading game plan that day. So if you're available, join us Monday through Friday at 7:30 in the morning. We'll always have the alert here. You could actually hit that button to be reminded. Next, the second thing is we have a whole playlist if you happen to be new to the market, which is called Stock Trading for Beginners. The biggest thing that I really love to do is help, because in my 21 years of trading, it can be challenging. You can really sometimes feel like you're amazing. Sometimes you feel like you couldn't hit water if you fell out of a boat. It's my job to help you get through that learning curve and get to the point where you understand, you make this big list of what doesn't work, and you only start to focus on the easy stuff like we talked about before, which is order flow and tape reading. Some of those lessons in Stock Trading for Beginners, they're about candlesticks, some are about moving averages, some are about position sizing, how to set up your trading screens, all that kind of stuff. So whether you're new, even if you're experienced, I'm sure those lessons are going to be something that you can take advantage of as well. Now, one of the most important things, and probably one of the most exciting things that it seems like members come to the channel and really enjoy, which is kind of something that we're known for now, which is sector rotation. If you go into Smart Money Footprints and you start to pay attention to this, it's our job, it's our mission to find the easy trades. And the easy trades, where are they? Well, they're hiding in plain sight. It's when the smart money commits capital, real money based on the deep research they did, and we start to track those footprints. And it generally is easier to spot when you're looking at sector rotation, industry group rotation, and then you pick individual stocks. So stock picks and sector rotation, a big part of what we do, both in Stocks for Breakfast as well as in some of the other stock pick videos that we do. So that's how to best take advantage of everything that we do. The one thing I'm going to ask, and this is a really big deal, participate. If you have a roadblock that you can't get past, leave a comment below one of the videos. If you have an insight into something that we taught, leave a comment below in one of the videos. I would love to hear from you, because that feedback, that back and forth, helps me identify how I can help you the most. The one thing I want to ask for you is, if we provide value, hit that subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. And especially on an individual video, if you found it helpful and if you got one thing out of it, smash that like button. I would really, really appreciate it. And then the last thing that I would like to talk about is our podcast called Stock Trading Made Easy. This is when you really get into my mind, and I'm talking back and forth about the different kinds of market conditions so that you can kind of train yourself to understand when you should trade big, when you should scale back, when you should be in cash, when you should hold longer. If you can think about driving a car, it's something that I talk about all the time. Once you get behind the wheel, it can be scary for the first time, but you need to see different market conditions to understand how you should be stepping on the gas, or when you should be pulling back, or when you should be pulling over for gas. That's a big part of trading. If every trade looks the same, that means you don't have an edge. And hopefully you download this ebook and you'll understand the foundation of what my edge is. So thank you so much for choosing to be with us here on our Stock Trading Pro YouTube channel. I promise I will work super hard for you. All you have to do is let me know how I can help you. Have an awesome day, and I hope to see you soon.